ng tickets. This is Patron. Ayan. So, nakabili tayo ng Patron ng tickets later. So, medyo malapit tayo. So, now we're waiting for Kuya Black. Kasi yun, kasama ko manood si Kuya Black ng BBL game. So, time check, it's 23:40. Sobrang bilis ko lang actually nakarating dito, mga an hour from Cavite, which is surprising. Ayun, so today, it's gonna be the last day of BBL for this year, kaya hindi ko na siya talaga minis. Ayan, so later on, hopefully makapag-shoot tayo ng a lot of videos at ma-post natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. So if in case you are new here, I am Eman. I am a digital marketer and I am basically creating content, lifestyle content, and at the same time, ano ba yung para to give you more idea about life of a remote digital marketer. So na-trigger ako mag-create ng content because I just really want to encourage those people who would like to try working from home kasi hindi kami damned. And it doesn't get you dumped everything. So my goal here is to show you what could possibly be your lifestyle. Ayan, and ngayon, before my shift later, and I have a direct client na I have a shift later ng 9 PM to 6 AM. So, after ng game, I'll work directly. Okay, so, I'll update you guys later. Bye! Ayan mga tao, guys. Pasok pa tayo. Hinintay ko lang si Kuya Black, pero madami lang tao dito. Ayan.
Tayo sa Smart Araneta Coliseum Junior the 3rd. 7 daw, 7. So, pasok tayo sa portal number 7.
Ayan, ito yung... Hello everyone, we are live here at Araneta Coliseum and we will see the live game of Dreamland versus Signal. So today, the keys for Dreamland win is of course number 1, their defense. It's their defense that always wins them. And of course, their camaraderie. Of course, they have to win together. They have to utilize Erica Staunton, and they also have to neutralize the import, which is MJ Perez. And number 3, Dreamline win is, of course, they have to really bank on their experience, their championship experience, because Signal is their first time to be in the finals. So I'm looking forward to the best game ever. Back to you, Ted.
Beach volleyball and the PBL win for Conference MVP and Finals MVP.
Hey! Mana?
Ganda!
Ano kay Stone ko mo? Wala siyang discount sa palo. Actually, lahat ng hero ay iya. Hindi masyadong palo lang ng palo.
Den palo! Service ace! Come on, outside!
One more!
Doon, baka ka nagsisingin! naman dyan, BDL! Outside! Ayan. Pons, kaya mo yan. Pagsubok lang yan. Black, si Mendeses yan. Tingnan mo. Kapalo yun sa 3. Sure na yan. Ace, hey.
Walang check, walang kapa.
Isang ace points! Go, Gandler! So kay kayo na ang mali. Ay, kay ano? Ay, perfect receive! Saan sa... Bea! Kay Bea!
Yan!
Kay Bea! Bigay mo kay Bea! Kay Bea! Madalang laban. Lobo lang! Bunny Gandler survey.
Na!
MJ, patay.
Diba na lang yun eh.
Patay. Bea! You can do it! Erica, hey! Outside! Pons! Isang ace! Come on, target! Come on, outside! Block! Nice serve, sir! Block mo yan! I-block mo yan! Service ace. I-block mo yan si MJ.
So reverse signal. Number 15, MJ Perez.
Inside. Bani bawi. Go Negi. Ace, come on. Block. Pons, idikdik mo. Four touches. Palo, wala si Don. Service ace yan, naniniwala ako sa'yo, Pons. Oh! Tama ka na, Molina. MJ! Ay, dalawang galansa. Go, Mafe!
Nag-practice siya sa bahay.
Oh, Pons yan. Bakit? Ang lakas ng receive ng Creamline, tignan mo. Oh, baka Pons yan. Back to play. Vargas, paluin mo! Pako niya yan! So 23-22 ang score at kasalukuyan po nangunguna ang Signal kasi hindi pa gumagana yung lahat ng offense ng Creamline. Pero gumagana naman ang Signal defense. So yun po yung major na difference from their last few games. So, back to you, Ted.
May makita yung score sa
Kaya niyo yung Creamline, naniniwala ko sa inyo. Si kayo na magdadrop! Ace Yano! Ace, come on! We can do it! Ace! Ace! Tama ka na, MJ! Nasamaan? Ayan na, pagod na si MJ! Bea! Kayang bumatay ni Bea! Bea!
Pagod na si Erika. Hindi yung may gumaba pa siya sa ano, sa
Bea! Bea! Isa pa, wala si Don! Ano yung sigaw ni Pons? Bilis! Parang bilis yung ano. Grabe yung communication nila, no? Binilasan yung ano. Kita yun.
broken play ulit.
Outside! Sure na! Buhay na buhay ang bola! I-block niya si Ses! Mana Bani! Outside! Outside! Eme! Seeing the MVP Pons ng Ino. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng laban ngayon. Back to you, Pons! Oo, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo. Back to you, Pons! Isa pa! Isa pa, girl! Oo.
Ana.
Puto mani popcorn! Let's go, Green Line! Let's go!
Hindi marunong yung drummer.
Block!
Check!
We're currently at second set at napapansin natin dito na si Vanny Ganter hindi maayos yung dig niya. So kailangan siyang palitan kapag nasa likod na siya. Or pwede silang katulad ngayon, pinasok si Basa. So kailangan may block touches siya. Ngayon ang nangyayari din sa signal is hindi masyadong okay yung offense ni Ate Moses Molina. So kailangan nilang mag-vary, kailangan nilang mag-more combination play. At saka si Kayuna, kailangan niya talagang mag-more plays. Kasi maayos naman yung receive nila eh. So for Kilolay naman, ang is to win is blocking. Tsaka yung middle nila, hindi masyadong nagagamit. Laging Staunton or wings nila. Tsaka si MJ, sana ano ka, bigay ka ng bola. Ayun. So back to you, Pons.
Back to you, ano, Chelsea.
Outside! Ayan, pagurin si MJ! Emma, kaya mo yan! Si Chelsea nandito. Hey!
Ano, 4? 4 straight. Ano?
Rotation error! Rotation error! Go Ishi! Bea, inside yan! Tignan mo, line ball! Challenge! Go, Jel! Drop!
Ace pa yan.
Outside! Walang check! Everybody!
Napag malayo nakakabuli nila. May challenge pa nila yun. Emma! Outang!
Yun! Ay, napaguri na si MJ. Patay. Net. Tapos pinasok.
At the service zone for the H.D. Strikers, number 10, Chin Watson.
Rochin!
Service, Dalton. Second violation,
First kitchen, ah.